MBE connectors by FasTest, a demonstration of cleaning and maintenance of the MBE connector. A good MBE connector will actuate, the sleeve will actuate, and you will hear a snapping sound. That is the operation of a good MBE. One that is dirty, that requires maintenance, you will not have the snapping sound. Standard maintenance of the MBE, you want to have a couple of things. You want to have a small screwdriver and some type of a penetrating oil. We here use WD-40.
And
typical maintenance on a dirty connector, MBE connector, is as easy as removing the O-ring in the back, or the snap ring. The snap ring will come off completely, and then you want to put the connector down, and you want to actuate the sleeve all the way off of the threaded end of the connector. As you can see, there's very, very dirty connector. If you look at the cylinder, you'll be able to see the dirt in the grime. This greatly impacts the operation of the connector. To clean the outside of the cylinders and the inside of the ring, use some type of a penetrating oil, like a WD-40. Spray it down good, clean off the parts, put it in, just reverse the process of putting it back together. When the connector is rebuilt, it will once again snap like this one. Typical maintenance of these connectors: daily some type of a penetrating oil like a WD-40 just to spray to the inside cylinder of the connector to keep the lubrication going for the connectors. The total breakdown, which we just did, of the connectors will occur as the connector continues to if it fails on the line.